we'll guide you through how to edit the settings JSON file in Visual Studio Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Once inside, go to the bottom left corner and click on the gear icon to access the settings. In the Settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Settings, which opens the user interface for settings. However, to edit the JSON directly, you want to go to the top right corner of the Settings panel and click on the icon with the 3 dots. From the drop-down menu, select Open Settings, JSON. This will open a new editor window with your settings JSON file. Now you can directly edit the JSON code. For example, if you want to change the theme, you can add or modify the line that says workbench.colorTheme and set it to your desired theme name like Visual Studio Dark. Remember to use correct JSON formatting, which means enclosing keys and values in double quotes and using commas to separate different settings. When you're done making changes, simply save the file by clicking on File in the top menu and then Save, or by using the shortcut Ctrl+S. Your changes will be applied immediately. If you make a mistake or want to revert back, remember that you can always use the default settings as a backup, or use version control if you're tracking your settings file. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.